Today, I see new colors. In our very own backyard. The barks were fresh, the leaves were green. So green that I haven't seen for ages. It was so fresh, so clean, so magnificent. The sunrays peeping through them was just like a cozy hug of divine to the nature. The nature is facing a new day. Without pollutions, without worries. The eyes of them watches a very new world. A comfortable one. And while we are worrying, isolating, suffering, the nature is breathing. The earth is